me. So basically, I'd make a change on the channel, and I'm going to do some script tutorials for C# with Visual Studios and Unity. So today I'm just going to do some basic things that, and while I'm making this, it will be a guessing game between 1 to 100. I'll also learn you the basics of C# with the console application. So let's get started. If you have downloaded Visual Studios, it will be in description. Okay, so we can start by naming this something. We can name it guessing game. Actually, like that. Guessing game. And then we'll just click OK and wait for it to load. Okay, so now we're in our project that we just created, and I'll just space it out a bit like this. I usually always do that. And now I'm going to explain a bit. So this is the main, this will be the head thing. This will always come when you do a console application. And basically what it does is you type the main script here, usually. And then there's class program. Here you can type down other things that you don't want to be in the main. It will be more easy soon when you see. And between this one and this one, the whole script is in here. The whole the whole program or console application. So between all those, they are like this is the start and this is the end. So wait, let me actually zoom in a bit. Let's zoom in to 150. So start, end. Okay, so let me go through the basics, and that will be, we'll type console.write line, and let's say like hi. Or actually, let's just type guess a my typing, a number between 1 to 100, like that. And I usually just take it back like this. It's your own opinion, your own choice, basically. And then I'll also write console read line, like that. The reason, actually, I'll take this away first, and then we can click on start up here. And nothing happens. The program basically opens, but then it gets shut down. So then we'll just add the console.readline here. Console.readline, like that. Oops. Boom. And then it will be here, and then you can type, but the program will shut down as it doesn't know what to do. So now when you have done that, I'll also explain what this is. It's basically, it writes a line, and this lets you type something. It lets you do an input, okay? So there's write, and then there's write line. Basically, as you saw, you type down here if it's write line. But if you only have write, it will be like this. Then you type up there. So keep in mind that there is a difference between write and write line. So let's just add write line like that, and then we're actually going to start on something else here, and that's that we're going to write in the program up here, the class program. So what we're going to write there is basically static random object. Remember that programmers usually have uncapitalized front letter, and then here it's capitalized. It makes the script look better. Is new random, like that. Then we'll also do static in data 2. Oh, no space, of course, is 0. Oh yeah, we need to also add an int here, actually. There we go. Now, so this is how that shall be. It will be more explained later. You will understand why all this is here. So now we are going to actually add something more in main. And I'm going to show you, this isn't necessary, but you can do it if you want. You can type console.foreground color is console color dot, and then there's the color here. You can choose between all colors. As you saw before, it's gray, but now we made the text to white, as you will see. Oh, before it was gray, but now it's white, and where you type, it's also white. Because I prefer white actually, so let's keep it as white. And in this script we will have if terms, if and else. If, else. And they are basically terms. If something happens, then this happens. If it doesn't happen, else happens. It will be more explained later. But I think that we actually should make like this. We add something here. Basically, you can name this number. Didn't we do it random number? Okay, wait. Is it still recording? Yeah. Then do like this and add like that. If guess number is equal to the random number, then everything in here will happen. And well, this is hard for me too, as I'm not used to like explaining this. So yeah, if it equals, oh yeah, we need to add something more up here actually, I think. And that is, we haven't yet made so there is a random number. And how did you do that again? Oh yeah, basically in main we forgot to add something. I forgot this. That's bad of me. We need to will actually to in data. Now we use in data 2 here. In data 2 equals in data 2 plus 1. And this will be explained later on. We will not explain that yet. And console write line. You guessed the right number. Like that. Oh, sorry. And then we'll also add something more, which is console to write line. You guessed. And this is actually a bit tricky. Oh yeah, you need to do like this. And then in data 2 plus like that plus times. So basically in data 2 shows how many times the person has guessed, and for every guess it will be plus 1. So when we have done that, it's we'll actually add something else here, which is in data equals 0. And now it's showing some, oh yeah, in data 2 equals 0. Like that. And I think we'll actually we skip the actually we won't do that yet. We'll go here. No, wrong one. And here we type else if guest number was higher than the random number, then this phase will happen, and then you have to add wrong ones, there we go, like that. And in here we'll start with console of foreground, of course, I always do that. Console color dot white, like this. And then of course we can't forget the indata plus equals indata 2 plus 1, like that. Because if you remember, we need to check how many times the person has guessed. And here we will do console the right line guess with a lower number. So basically this phase will happen if the person has guessed too high. So then we'll tell the person to guess with the lower number. And then we'll also do tries here. Random number, boom, like this. So then it goes back here. And because, it has to guess again. And I think we're done with that one. Then we'll do else. And here we won't have to add anything, because if the guess number equals a random number, then this will happen. If it doesn't, if it's like the guess number is higher than the random number, this happens. But if this is none of them, then we'll do like oh sorry, my keyboard changed name. Okay, there we go. Then this phase will happen, and in here we'll do console.foreground color equals console color dot white, like I always do. And we'll also type in data 2 plus equals in data 2 plus 1. And here we'll make so the console right line guess with a higher number, like that. So we also have to make so tries, it goes back to the random number. And I always forget that B number. So then it's like this now. And then actually here is a good place to read line, like that. I think that will be a good place to do it. I'm not sure what will happen if we run the program now, but we can try. Guess a number between. Guess with the lower number. Guess with the lower number. Guess with the higher number. Oh. yeah, it's good so far. Like, it's not good, but we're on our way, which is good. And then we forgot to make a space here. Actually, now when I think about it, we can just do like this, that. I hope. Let's try little Noah number. What the fuck? You guess 3 times. Oh, nice. Now, it took so fast to guess. Well, now if we type something here, it will just eventually crash. There we go. So we're on our way. We're on our way, which is really, really good. Now this code is going to be around 120 yeah, lines. So we're in the halfway, and the last part will be easier, I think. I'm not sure, but I guess it will be around that. So now we're actually going back. Yeah, we should go back here actually, and do something else here. We're going to use something called console.readKey, and you'll see what that does later. But for now, we do like this. And how shall we do this? String answer. Take it back like this. Console.foreground color equals console color dot white. And wait, I already made white. Why shall I make it white again? Actually, yeah, let's make this red. And then we'll take console.write. Do you want to play again? Yes, no. Like this. And now we'll do like, this is the kind of a hard part, but now we'll actually take the color back to foreground color equals console color dot white, because we don't want the answer of the person to be white. And I think this will work, so let's hope it works. We'll make answer equal to console dot read line. Wrong. Like that. And now we're going to use some if terms again, if you remember those. If answer equals yes. Wait, it doesn't matter with yeah, we can do it like that. And also now this will do, so it doesn't matter if they use caps or not. So ignore case like that. No, wait. No, we have done something wrong. No, never mind. We needed to add these, of course. If answer equals yes, and then it does so, it ignores caps. And then we'll do if answer equals yes, then main.null. And basically, oh, did we really do that? So then it takes the program back to the first main stage, which was here, and that makes so it will go over with this again. And then if equals no, then this, I don't really know how to break the how to close the program, but I found out one thing, and that's console clear, like that. I'm not sure why it breaks here, but it kind of does, and so now it breaks. I'm not sure why it does that. I have no clue, because clear usually makes so the text that everything goes away that is written. But no, it didn't when I tried it before with some other program. And then else, if we didn't understand what they said, we'll do actually, shall we make our own string here? Yeah, actually, copy where shall we copy it from? Yeah, copy it from here to here. I'm not sure why it does that. And now we'll write as static void again string, like those, and then args, and then we'll also add boom boom boom, like that. Now there's of course going to be errors, so we need to check them. That's a really weird error. Wait, else why is it giving me an error? It's not supposed to be one of those, is it? Oh. Now there's a lot of errors, so let's just go back to when it wasn't so much errors, which was now. Okay, let's see what we have done wrong here. And it can be many reasons. Let me just think for 2 seconds why it could be wrong. Oh yeah, shall maybe write line like that? Will it help? No? It doesn't help? Are you sure? That's sad. Why does it do that? Oh yeah, now I know. Else if. And then we can just remove this, I guess. Like that. And here actually we can do console.read key. And now let's get back here. Else if console.read key. Else. Oh yeah, again it will do like that. And here we do so it goes back to this phase here. And that basically does so it doesn't go back away here, because then all this will happen. So it will just go back here, and then again null boom. And then in main we can actually, where's the main? Here it is, console.clear. Boom. So let's see what we have done so far. Guess with the higher number, 60, 70, 80, 76. You want to play again? What about we take no? Okay. It didn't really close the program. I have to come up with how to do that maybe, but let's try again actually, because I want to see all the outcomes, not just one outcome. The higher number, yes, and then it goes back like that. Nice, but we're not done yet. So there's also something called the debugger. You can click F11, and if you've done something wrong, it will go through the whole text here. It starts in main, of course, because main is, you know. Actually, it starts in program, but you don't see it happening, I think. So then you type 50 here, and then you keep pressing F11 for this to happen. Then does in data, you guess 1 times. Oh, we guessed the right number. Okay, but if it's F11 for the debugger if you can't figure out what's wrong, and it will basically just go through everything. So what more shall we do? How many lines do we have? Okay, we have that many lines. And yes, we do have a console read line, which is good. Or else it will crash, obviously. What more do we need here? Oh yeah. Wait, let's see. The 70, 18, 76, 79. What if we type the oh yeah, let's make it like this actually. This will be really, really cool. And we're at again, okay. Then we do like this, console write line. I didn't understand what you said. Like that. Then we can do like this, and let's add like that. Actually, let's add something more. Console write line, of course, and like that. And that basically does like this. So let's see. I think it will be nicer if we do like that. Oh. Of course, 31. Then if you type wrong, I didn't understand what you said. Okay, so it doesn't understand. That's noise. So then if we type yes, it will go back. That's a really, really nice code I've done here then, I suppose. Because it seems to work, and what more can we add to this? There's one problem, and that problem is pretty hard to fix, and that's basically if we type wrong here. And I have no clue how to fix that. But if you can type in the comments if you know how to fix it, that would be awesome. But this is basically how you make a guessing number. The whole code will be in my GitHub if I found out how to use that. And I hope you enjoy my first series on how to make programming with C#. So I hope I see you